guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I'm going to update you on some of the things we did for the house. This is also an exciting vlog because my dad and stepmom are in town. They drove up from Florida to spend the weekend. I didn't vlog the whole weekend because we just wanted to spend time together, of course, be present, but I want to show you guys what we're getting into. So we got patio furniture for the back deck. I actually saw the box I could show you. So this is it. It's just from Walmart. It was $167. You get 4 chairs. There you go. 4 chairs and a table, and it all folds up, which is really nice. And then I got these little pillows to go with them. These are only $5 a piece.
Yep.
They're really nice. And then my dad got us this pop-up tent for when it rains.
Which surprisingly was only like 30 or 35 bucks.
Yeah, and it's really good quality. It was easy to put together and to put up because it has this, which is nice.
Yeah.
And it even has string on every corner. So if you wanted to like tie it down. Yeah. Then I want to show you guys, we've got this set out up front. We got this cute little flamingo. It's got a little solar power thing, and then it glows at night. That's really cute, from Home Depot, I believe. And I've got these purple flowers coming in. And I got this other flamingo. That's from TJ Maxx / Home Goods. That's really cute. I love him. And then we've got some of these orange flowers growing. Those are so pretty along this side of the house. And it looks like we're gonna get more of those purple flowers over here along this whole side of the house too. And then for dinner tonight we're making steak and salad. So my stepmom has everything out here that she's gonna put in the salads. And then I use my egg cooker to cook up 3 eggs. Let's see what the boys are doing.
So you gave me, look.
Ooh.
That one's up and ready.
No, they're here. They've never screwed me up. 2.
We opened it up. I think that they gave us 4 of these instead of the hooks. And that's what happened. Point, I think, was a hook. But I don't know why it's all broken and anything else.
It didn't roll or fall. This is my eighth one I've installed, and they never screwed me apart.
What are they?
What is it?
What does it look
I
like?
need 2 little hooks. We're gonna make some. We're just gonna make
A
some.
hook?
They gave us, what happened is they gave us 4 of these instead of 2 of these and 2 more of those. That's what happened. Of these little S hooks.
Do we have any little S hook looking things laying around? Because we need them.
Let me see. Oh, we got the lights set up. We put them on motion, so hopefully this should.
Ooh. So they come on automatically.
They will come on automatically when I walk in.
That's nice.
We've got it set up on this side as well, which is really nice because this side in particular gets really dark. So.
All right.
Yeah. Now you can see all the cobwebs and spiders and crawly creepies.
Oh my.
Yeah. Now I was gonna say I gotta see which, if any, of these nests and stuff are still active.
Okay, I'm leaving now.
I'm not gonna do it now.
And then Josh put up this little hook so I could hang a wind chime. So that's the wind chime we're gonna put back here. Doesn't it sound beautiful? This is from Home Depot, right? That's where we got that? Yeah, Home Depot.
Yes, this one was Home Depot.
Yay! Ta-da!
I think it'll work just fine there.
Do you like the carrot? No. You said you wanted it. You're licking your chops. Alright, there's already a hook up there, so we're gonna try and see if we can get it up there.
Going further, I can already reach it. Not going anywhere. Yeah.
Yay!
What's wrong with that? It'll
Perfect.
drive the boys nuts when they're looking
That's
through
what I
there and they
said.
see
Ooh,
this thing.
that'll be funny.
Might be.
I like that.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay.
Okay, we're gonna test the back lights and go down the river.
Oh, okay.
For a minute. Just for a minute.
I'm happy with that.
Okay, so all we have to do is check the lights on the deck, right? He's the ringleader of the operation. We're gonna check the lights on the back deck and then we're gonna go look at the river. So we'll show you guys that. Okay, our next project is the previous owners put in these deck lights all the way around. So we're gonna see if we can get them working. They have it hooked up to this wire right here, which goes into our into our laundry room. Can you get to it? Here, let me do it. It's kind of a tight fit. Okay, we got them working. It'll be easier to show you guys at nighttime. You're not gonna be able to tell right now.
I'm gonna cut that and we'll scissors. She has them.
Here. We're finding a place to situate the controller. That's gonna be really good for at night.
They're there.
So if it fits, then I don't need to cut that.
Oh, it works. It reaches. All right. And then Mom made some progress with dinner. She's got some sweet potatoes and a regular baked potato. We're gonna put in the oven later.
Salads and the steaks right there.
Ah. Oh yes, look at the steaks. And the salads are all ready to go.
Max of honors.
Oh, yeah.
To get to the
Okay, so,
Oh guys, I made this really good snack.
yes.
I just mashed up an avocado. I put lime, vitality, essential oil from Young Living. And then I did salt, pepper, garlic, and I put some onions. And then these chips are so good. They're from Siete. They have like a lime flavor to them.
And I, out of sheer curiosity, decided to make a little water with some peppermint. I thought it'd be nice and refreshing because it's a really hot day. However, I did not consult the Oracle, aka Paige, so I put 3 drops of peppermint. Now, I put 3 drops of peppermint originally in a normal size cup. Okay? So I took a sip, I said, oh, it really just tastes like water. Oh, there, it's a little more refreshing. And then I got the peppermint burn. You know, after you swallow a peppermint or something, or after you use some mouthwash, and get that tingle in your back of the throat. I got a lot of tingle in the back of my throat from this thing. So
You put too much.
I put way too much. So I put it in my shaker bottle, which is much larger. And believe me, 3 drops is still plenty for 22 ounces.
You only
So
need 1 drop.
1 drop for a normal size cup apparently is enough. I'll know this in the future. Now, one of the batteries, or a few of the batteries are ready, so Paige wanted me to demonstrate her new shrub trimmer.
Wow.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ah.
Nice technique on your hand.
Technique. Technique. That looks like fun.
Tom Sawyer.
What?
had to sit and do this with all day long for a quarter in the snow.
Oh my god.
Here, I'll take it. Hold on, please hold. All right. As you can see, this is something I could not get with the mower, and he's going right through it. Look at that.
How do I look?
Fabulous, darling.
Darling.
Yes.
You're a star.
About through that bag, huh?
Yeah, we're doing well. Well, this will be
I went the wrong way.
2.5 pickings.
Yeah. There you go.
Get it when it's on sale. Right now, like Memorial Day through Labor Day, it's 16 for two. The 2-pack. Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart.
Walmart does it?
Yeah. You can get it just about anywhere.
Off season, this shit goes up. I've seen it 23 for the 2-pack.
Dang.
Yeah.
I don't want to buy it as often. We're not going to use it as much. It's like you said, we're only going to fill up half.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
The steaks are small, I know that, so I don't need much.
Quick cut of the boys here.
Aww. Are they both there?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Chaos did not like being on camera. He immediately stood up and got ready to run. There you go. Just gotta organize them all, get them all set.
We'll leave it there until we're ready.
Okay.
So we can light it.
Yep.
Here's another good chip and dip option. These new Tostitos strips are really good. They kind of taste like Fritos in a way, but they're yummy. And then we got this ranch sour cream dip. Obviously this is not as good as the Hidden Valley brand, but it's pretty good. Another little good summer snack.